If you're like me, you've probably spent years trying to dial in the perfect AV sync on your receiver and TV. In my case, I have an older LG OLED E6 TV, which I've had for years and I love and haven't seen a need to replace it yet. But the thing that's always driven me crazy is I couldn't get the AV sync just dialed in the way it needed to be. I tried different things. I tried connecting my laptop and videoing it and seeing what the delay was and adjusting it. I had tried, or debated, I should say, buying calibration devices and spending all that money to get it just perfect. And then I realized, hey, wait a second, the best solution is in my hand. What I found out is the easiest thing if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, go set it into slow motion. There's a bunch of different tools. You could use a YouTube link where it has the little timing beep. Something I've found, and I'll link it in the video below, that really is great is hidden in Netflix. It's called Test Patterns. And when I did a search for it recently, I couldn't find it. But they have a little test called the Sync 1-2 test, which is in their season 4 of it. And what this test does is it gives you a nice little brief beep, flash on the screen. It's in 24p, it's in Dolby Vision. And if there's any variance in your delay based on frame rate type and other things, this will help you really dial in exactly what you need. But this test, I found the best solution was just grab it, aim the phone at it, put it in slow motion, record it, look and see how much the sync was off, adjust it about what I thought would be it, play it again, record it, and repeat until I just dialed it into exactly, what was perfect. You could also take it into, let's say, a video editing program and kind of look and time it with the frames if you wanted to do that. I just sat on my sofa, aimed my phone at things, and adjusted it in my case, I have a Denon receiver. It turned out being about 210 seconds, which is a lot more than I thought. I was assuming it was maybe around 100, 120 milliseconds. But once I did that, I have been so happy. I wish I had thought about that years ago, but for those looking to do it, again, use your cell phone, slow motion. Netflix, like I said, I'll link it below where you can go and get it into your profile and then use it on your TV. Again, I've had trouble searching for it. But, on YouTube, you can also find great videos. But the thing I really like about the Netflix option is you get the Dolby Vision, you get Dolby Atmos playback. So if there's any kind of variance that causes, you'll be able to really dial it in exactly the way you want it. So that's really it. I hope some of you can save some time and some money and just do it the simple way. Grab your cell phone, put it in slow motion, and record it and tweak it until you get it right where you want. Happy video watching. Take care, everybody.